Yo, Laga, you killing them, son.
Yeah, this is Young Slim. California, Chipata connected. Forever respected. Zambia, one nation, one love. Yeah, but there's a struggle. I'ma tell you about it. Man, you never seen a Mzungu Kumuzi. Young Slim. Kuvutika kuwala wala Cindy samala ngati njala Jiza kwana lero mawa Yeah Dili paulendo dicho linga Koma minga ina gwida njinga Popita koma ine jiza fike ditu Onani ine wozi wika moyo wanga ina sinta Dima badeta madierero Cindy zaleta zikulalero Magazi chiwe misozi Cindy funa kuchita ngozi But all the guys that know me See that Zambia's old me Dina Banda, promoted di Banjalanga, como moyo wanga, imatamanga ngasko, yeah. Dina Banda, promoted di Banjalanga, como moyo wanga, imatamanga ngasko, yeah. My destiny was chosen when I flew over the ocean. I didn't even have the slightest notion. I was hoping my eyes would open. So many people just close them, but I adapted a persona by mixing up the languages. I could hang with them, slang with them, and I could bang with them, and I sang with them. Never been a stranger to them. We got things pertaining to entertainment, and we're getting payments again. I'm gonna be famous one day, and my name is, I guess you could say my name is Samuel Banda, Young Slim Band, it's all the same shit. My name is Samuel King, doing my thing, got a following, damn, lots of people honor me, yeah. My name is Samuel King, doing my thing, got a following, damn, lots of people honor me, yeah.